Welcome back to another video where we dive deep into the most exciting cars coming to the road soon. If you're into precision engineering, bold design, and the thrill of high-performance machines, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we're looking at something that feels more like a concept from the future than a car ready to hit the streets. The 2026 BMW M9. BMW has been teasing enthusiasts for years with rumors and renderings, but now it's real, and it's more aggressive, more refined, and more advanced than anyone expected. The M9 isn't just another step forward for BMW's performance lineup, it's a leap. Built as the flagship for their M division, this car isn't designed to replace the M8. It exists in a category of its own. Think of it as the meeting point between a hypercar and a grand tourer. BMW didn't hold back. Every inch of this vehicle screams performance, luxury, and innovation. Let's talk design. The 2026 M9 looks like it's been carved out of a single piece of obsidian. Sharp lines, sweeping curves, and a presence that demands attention. Up front, BMW's signature kidney grills have evolved. They're slimmer, wider, and actually functional, channeling air where it's needed most. The laser headlights are thinner than ever, giving the car a menacing stare, especially at night. The side profile is dramatic, with a sloping roofline that suggests speed even when it's parked. Massive air intakes, flush door handles, and sculpted side skirts aren't just for show. They all play a role in aerodynamics and cooling. Around back, the quad exhaust setup sits beneath an aggressive diffuser, while slim OLED taillights wrap around the rear like glowing blades. Now under the TUI hood, BMW hasn't released exact numbers yet, but here's what we know. It's expected to come with a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged V8 with an electric motor. Together, they'll produce somewhere north of 800 horsepower. That puts it in the same league as the McLaren Artura and Ferrari SF90. And yes, it's all-wheel drive using BMW's latest xDrive system tuned specifically for the M9. 0 to 60, likely under 3 seconds. Inside, it's a tech-forward sanctuary. BMW has completely overhauled the cockpit for the M9. The curved digital display continues, but now it's fully integrated into a driver-centric layout. Carbon fiber and Alcantara dominate, but it doesn't sacrifice comfort. The seats are aggressive bucket style but still electronically adjustable with memory and massage features. And for the first time, BMW introduces a full augmented reality windshield. Navigation, speed, and even hazard detection all show up directly on the glass in real time. There's also new AI integration that adapts the car's settings based on how you drive. It learns from your habits, adjusting steering, throttle, response, and suspension stiffness without you lifting a finger. Want it to roar? Switch to track mode and the exhaust valves open up. The suspension tightens and the digital dash transforms into a race-ready layout. Even more impressive is how BMW managed to keep the car relatively light. Extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced plastics and a new aluminum space frame keep the weight down without compromising on luxury or safety. BMW says the M9 is their vision of where high-performance luxury is headed, and from what we're seeing, the future looks wild. This car isn't for everyone. It's going to be rare, expensive, and built for people who demand the absolute best from their machines. Estimated starting price? Around $180,000, but expect it to go higher with options and limited editions. If you're as excited about the M9 as we are, let us know in the comments what feature blew your mind the most. And if you could take one drive anywhere in the world with this beast, where would it be? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep your foot down and your eyes up. See you in the next one.